here we are, RHS Chelsea Flower Show 2024. We have produced an amazing exhibit, with the core being a Japanese inspired. So we have the Torii Gate, which is from Shinto religion. We also have our beautiful koi pond, which is the main part of our pond with the window. And we've had lots of positive comments so far where wheelchair users as well as ambient people have been able to come up and see the fish and reap the benefits of their beautiful colours.
The significance of today is to recognise how important the outside world and gardens in particular are to aid general recovery, the sense of well-being and relaxation. It is key at the NRC that we encourage this with our patients who will be in a state of distress and anxiety when they come through. So this garden is very much designed to facilitate that.
When you've got a disability, sometimes its perception is that you can't necessarily get into these types of environments. But if with some creative thinking, it really can open up this opportunity to excel as a disabled person and be inspired to go and do more things.
This year we've gone overboard. We've done the biggest stand we've ever done. We've put together a Japanese themed garden. And so it's an amalgamation of my various hobbies. Hostas, which come from the Far East, koi, I've been a koi hobbyist for 40 years, and more recently I've become interested in bonsai, Yamadori bonsai.
I think the reason why this matters is, this is a new building, a new place, and it'll be really quite flattering, won't it, for patients getting here to see that a Chelsea garden was actually donated to this place, and it's another way of making the place feel special.